Had to stay up till 2 o'clock in the morning to do it, but I think I got it done. Good afternoon, YouTube. Here with you on a Friday afternoon. Around 3:33, it looks like on the clock. I am in the living room on my computer. And you can see the screen I'm looking at. This is my File Explorer in Windows 7. And I'm going to show you what this, you probably can see this down here, OpenMediaVault. That's my server that I have been working on. And I'm going to click on that. And you can see two shares listed there. AVD, which is audio video data, and the plain data. And the thing that I wanted to do with these is be able to click on them and access the files, and that's what's the problem I was having. I got to reading today on some forums to do with OpenMediaVault, and this one was back in, I think, 2013. It was an old version of it, but the information was exactly what I was looking for. I was able to use that information, and lo and behold, there is my files. And there's my this was a test, this is a file, or a, what do you call it, that I created in there. So that's just shows that I can do that. But basically, audio is in my, these are my MP3 files and stuff like that. And to show you that it does work, what I've done is I've got Winamp going, and it's underneath the screen. I'm going to pop it up right now. There, you can see it now. And if we click on that,
busted flat in Baton Rouge.
so you can see there it is working. So like I said, these are the files that are on in this audio section here. If I click on this, MP3s, that's what all, you know, it's coming from. All these music files are coming from. I do have quite a few of them. But like I said, that's where it's coming from. And I also have these set up now in a mapped network drive. That's this one right here, AVD. It comes on my file server, or my File Explorer, as drive Y, and the data share comes on as Z. So I can access these from Windows programs, and it's just like another hard drive, which is what I was after. And again, I can create, I can save to this these files, you know, these shares, and access them back and forth, which is again what I was looking for. So I'm very pleased with the results. Now the file, or the server itself, is still on the kitchen table. Kylie will love that, but I think I'm going to be able to get that done before she comes back. I didn't have to pick her up today, as far as I know, because it's 3:37 now, and she got out at 3, so nobody's texted me and said, "Hey, you're supposed to pick up Kylie." So I assume somebody picked her up, and like I said, that usually means she's not going to be here this weekend. So. Like I said, that's a good deal. I don't know. I enjoy her company. Don't get me wrong. But I wanted to get this done, and with her here, I wouldn't have been able to do that. And again, I want to probably, after I rest a little bit more, after I've worked so hard on this, sitting in this chair, I'll probably go in there and finish working on that. I'm not going to stay up till 2 o'clock in the morning again, like I did last night, but I will get it done. So. Anyway, that's I don't know if I can see if I can get, well, I know I can't get I've only got this screen set up like this, so I don't think I can show you well, let me try it and see. And this is the OpenMediaVault web configuration utility, whatever you want to call it. I can see everything from here that I do. Well, I've got this one over a little too far. Move that over. There we go. Now it's all in there. But these are the this is how you configure and work on the OpenMediaVault from your web browser. And you just basically, you can click on anything you want and, you know, adjust things as you need and stuff like that. So the place where I made my mistake, if you call it that, I didn't really know what I was doing. Under the SMB and CIFS, which is the file system Windows uses, if you go in there and you click on, I'll have to go up. Well, let's see, it's still not letting me do it. Huh. Well, apparently I'm having trouble doing that, so I'm not sure how to do it. But anyway, I had to go in there and do that and change around a setting. One setting is all it was. Instead of having a whole drive listed with like AVD with a backslash, I just needed a backslash in that spot. Once I did that, everything came up like it should. It was just like a miracle. But anyway, this is how you control it. And like I said, it's easy enough to do. The only thing I did with the actual software is turn it on, you know, turn the computer on, and it boots right into this software here. And once it does that, there's nothing else to do with that. You can go control it with any computer on the network and just use this OpenMediaVault web browser thing, and you control it from there and do whatever you need to do. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So anyway, that's going to do it. I didn't mean to make a big long video on this, but you know me, how I am, like to talk. But so I'm happy about that, and I will probably show you again once I get it all put back together and stuff like that. But I'll just basically show you back in there in the cubby hole where it goes under the bench. And I want to get my shelves back up there and get everything back on those. And that will do that, and I will have access to my files, which is good. Another thing I didn't show you, but Plex, anybody that uses Plex, I can set that up now on another computer, a Plex server, and have it pointed to these files. Well, actually not these files, but if I go back here and one more time, and I have video like here, and XXX. But these are my movies. If I look into my movies, and there's the ones I can watch via Plex, because that's what I usually have set up to watch. I don't have as many as I used to have. I've taken a lot of them off because I knew I'd never watch them again. But anyway, that's how you do that with Plex, and it works really nice. So anywho, now that's pretty good. I like it. I'm happy with it. Like I say, data works the same way. Give you a little sample of this. Yeah, I know you can't see everything, but this is my 61 Buick service manual for the chassis. And like I said, that's kind of a neat thing. And like I said, I can access my files, and it's just like they were on the local hard drive. And this is why I have a file server. So I've got a lot of files, and there's no sense in clogging up my local hard drive, and because I've got mostly video on here, you know, for YouTube, and that takes up a lot of room as it is. And I don't store any videos from YouTube on the server. They're all on my local hard drive. And if it gets full to the point where I can't access anymore, I'll go ahead and delete the ones I've uploaded. Now I have those, let's see, videos, and I have them exported. These are the ones I have exported, As you can see, there's quite a few videos that I posted on YouTube. Now, like I said, once I get to the point where I need more space, I will delete all these because they are on YouTube, and I keep my raw files, and those are in my import directory. So if I go over here and go to import, these are all the files that I import, or my raw footage that I take, and then take it into VideoPad and edit it and put it up on YouTube. So that's the way I've got it set up, and I think it works out pretty good, I believe. So that's pretty much it, and again, I am still talking, ain't I? You guys have a great afternoon. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you later.